Good morning, my name is Ken Dixon with the Sanborn Dixon Company, and this is the morning update. Starting out, of course, with King Bitcoin. We are on the 4-hour chart. It does look like we are going to make another run towards that upper trend line. I would not be surprised if that trend line broke, but I would not trust anything above that line until it has been back tested and the uptrend has continued. On to Ethereum now. We are still in the standby mode with Ethereum, still kind of lethargic. Anytime Bitcoin does this sideways chop stuff, and especially after a big fake out like we had a couple days ago, altcoins just hang back and kind of wait and see what happens. And that's what we're seeing with Ethereum and the vast majority of other altcoins, which is why I generally don't cover them because the price action is about the same. So Dogecoin is one of the few altcoins that I will jump into here, simply because of the trend line that it's following here. Pretty straightforward. We had the failure that Bitcoin had a couple days ago. It did not have that fake out though. Now it hit resistance on the extension of a bottom trend, and it's following the extension of the top trend of the previous. So what's going to happen here is if Bitcoin takes off in a convincing manner, right, altcoins will do the same thing, but they will hit resistance on the extension of the previous trend. Just something to kind of keep an eye on. On Solana, we do see that it has finally fallen in line with the rest of the altcoins and has kind of taken a wait and see type approach to the next move. We also have this golden cross, as I pointed out yesterday, and an unconvincing golden cross over the 300, as price is now underneath the 50 and the 300. It did find support off of the moving 200. So interesting support resistance kind of ping-ponging back here on Solana. You know, as always, most of this depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin takes off, Solana I expect to take off. If Bitcoin dumps, I don't necessarily expect Solana to dump. All right, it's shown itself to be a little bit independent from Ethereum and from Bitcoin. Hey, Kate Dorr with CNBC. You know, if you ever have a lack of material because Bitcoin is doing its sideways chop bullshit again, you can always reach out to those of us that have been in this industry for a little while. We can definitely give you some more entertaining headlines than why cryptocurrency crashes on the weekend, okay? This is all just boring shit that everybody already knows the answer to, but I get it. You got a deadline, just reach out, we can help you. And once again, we have the SEC sending out freaking letters like it's the 1970s to investors warning them about crypto. All right, look, everybody involved in crypto knows that this shit is risky, okay? We have ways of mitigating that risk, but we wouldn't be here if we didn't already know that it was going to be risky, right? Risk reward tolerance, that kind of thing. We know what we're in for, all right? So stop fucking pestering us and just do your job and go somewhere else. This is actually a very encouraging headline. Warren Buffett's latest big investment likes cryptocurrency. So Warren Buffett is not a normal investor, okay? He's not just going to jump in and buy Bitcoin off of freaking Coinbase or anything like that, all right? I take this as this is his way of dipping his toes in the crypto waters. I know he's fought it for years and years, but the man is smart. He knows the money's there. I think he's starting to enter, in the crypto sphere, and this is his way of doing it, okay? And investing.com takes home the award for dumbest damn headline of the day with China imposes crypto censorship, Bitcoin interest drop. Okay, how in the hell do you measure interest, right? With external tools. Okay, if you're being censored, your interests aren't reaching those external tools. Okay, that's the whole point of censoring somebody. Okay, is to prevent them from being able to touch the thing they're freaking interested in. And as always, nothing you've seen here should be misconstrued as financial advice. That is the morning update for June 11th, 2021.